Opening space is making headlines this month. From supernova shockwaves to rare skywatching moments and powerful new missions. If you're into stargazing tech or just love a good space story, stay tuned, because June 2025 is packed with cosmic action. Cassiopeia A. Let's start with beauty from destruction. This dazzling image shows Cassiopeia A, the remains of a massive star that exploded 340 years ago. Captured in stunning detail by NASA's James Webb and Chandra telescopes, this supernova remnant reveals glowing filaments of gas and dust, what used to be a star, now seeding the galaxy with elements for new worlds and life. Scientists believe this remnant is still expanding, and every image adds a piece to the puzzle of how stars live, die, and give back to the cosmos. June skywatching highlights. June skies are putting on a show. In the early mornings, Saturn rises high with its rings tilted just 4 degrees, giving us a crisp view of its icy halo. Look out on June 16th for a shadow transit by Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Later in the month, Mercury makes a brief appearance low in the western sky around sunset, especially visible around June 27th. And don't miss the strawberry moon on June 11th, the lowest full moon in nearly 2 decades. Bonus, on June 29th and 30th, the moon will briefly pass in front of Mars in a rare lunar occultation. Binoculars at the ready. Mission highlights. It's also a big month for space missions. Axiom Mission 4, a private flight to the International Space Station, features astronaut Peggy Whitson and India's first ISS astronaut, Shubhanshu Shukla. While originally delayed, the mission is still aiming for launch by month's end. Meanwhile, Blue Origin launched its 33rd crewed suborbital flight, carrying space tourists and microgravity experiments into the upper atmosphere. SpaceX continues its Starlink expansion, launching new satellites on June 13th to increase global internet coverage. And the Europa Clipper is already en route for its 2030 arrival at Jupiter's moon Europa, where it will hunt for signs of life beneath the icy surface. Europe in space. Europe is stepping up in the space race. At the Paris Air Show, French President Emmanuel Macron called for the EU to become a space superpower, urging unity in satellite manufacturing and faster deployment. The EU's upcoming IRIS-6 satellite constellation, launching soon, will provide secure broadband across Europe and beyond, highlighting space as both an economic and strategic frontier. Space weather and solar science. New views of our own sun are also turning heads. ESA's solar orbiter captured the sun's south pole for the first time ever, crucial for understanding solar storms that can disrupt power grids, GPS.